Yeah, so this video here is about the JBL Endurance Peak wireless earbuds, and this is about the problem with the left earbud not working. So only the right one is working, the left one is completely silent, even though here the LED is on. So, but the right earbud seems to be okay, and it also connects it to your phone. Okay, so you see here, this is still connected. So how do we fix this? We need the charging cradle in order to do this, and we just turn off both earbuds and we place them inside of the cradle. And you also have to make sure that the cradle battery is charged right now, so at least one of those LEDs on the cradle is turning on. Yeah, and as soon as we put in the earbuds into the cradle, then we see the earbuds are disconnecting from the phone, and also the two LEDs here are turning red now. And then we tap on the JBL logo of the right earbud, and after that we immediately press and hold constantly. So let me show you again here. We tap once and then we press and hold the JBL of the right earbud. And then eventually, at some point, when we keep pressing it, then the LED is going to turn off here on the right earbud, starts blinking. And this is now resetting everything. So this is a factory reset. And this also fixes the problem with the left earbud not working, so it's reconnecting to the left earbud now. And one thing you do have to do now is you have to redo the pairing process to your phone or whatever device you have these connected to. And so now, if we try this out here, so we're turning on the left earbud, and we're turning on also the right earbud. And so now these two are going to pair with each other, and then we can also start here the pairing process with the phone again at the same time. You see here now the two earbuds are connected, and we have to delete the pairing from your phone to the Endurance Peak, and then eventually it's going to start the pairing process again with your phone. Select this again, and now it will work just like it should. Both sides are going to work. Yeah, okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions, then please leave a comment below, and if you liked the video, then give me a thumbs up.